हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू दिस प्री मार्केट एनालिसिस वीडियो। माय नेम इज़ यश। तो आइए देखते हैं कल के लिए निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में क्या इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स हैं, उन्हें हम कैसे ट्रेड कर सकते हैं और ओपन इंटरेस्ट डेटा से हम लोग एक रेंज निकालने की कोशिश करेंगे जिसके बीच में हम लोग एक एक्सपायरी को एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं कल। ओके, बट एक डिस्क्लेमर मैं यहाँ पे देना चाहूँगा कि जो भी कंटेंट और जो भी इस वीडियो में मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा दैट इज़ जस्ट फॉर एजुकेशन पर्पजेज़। प्लीज़ do your due research before taking any trade or consult your financial advisor. So okay, now moving on towards this video. इस वीडियो में हम लोग देखने वाले हैं, पहले तो मल्टीपल टाइम फ्रेम एनालिसिस करेंगे निफ्टी और बैंक निफ्टी में कैसा पैटर्न है, क्या चीज़ें हमको यहाँ पे देखने को मिल रही हैं। तो निफ्टी में हम लोग जैसा कि डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे अगर एनालाइज करें तो हमको यहाँ पे एक हैमर काइंड ऑफ बुलिश पैटर्न मिल रहा है जिसने 50 EMA का भी ब्रेकआउट हमें दे दिया है। ओके, विच शोज़ अ गुड स्ट्रेंथ फॉर द बुल्स। आइए अब हम लोग आवरली टाइम फ्रेम पे देखते हैं कि क्या कोई में रेंज ब्रेकआउट या कुछ पैटर्न मिलता है। येस, ऑन आवरली टाइम फ्रेम वी आर सीइंग दिस, we are getting a range breakout. From last 2 days market was consolidating in this range, and today after the RBI governor policy announcements, Nifty started moving higher and break this range and given a breakout of this range and 50 EMA also on hourly time frame, which is also very good sign for the bulls. And now on the 15-minute time frame, 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे भी हमें एक अच्छा खासा रेंज ब्रेकआउट मिलता है और 50 EMA और 200 EMA दोनों का ब्रेकआउट हमें मिलता है 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे। तो कल के लिए हम लोग क्या प्लान कर सकते हैं? कल अगर मार्केट, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ गैप अप ओपनिंग इफ ग्लोबल सेंटिमेंट सपोर्ट्स इट, वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ गैप अप ओपनिंग टुमारो फॉर श्योर, बट देयर आर 3 कंडीशंस। अगर एक बहुत बड़ा गैप अप खुलता है देन वी विल वेट फॉर अ पुल बैक to take a long position, or we will wait for a price action patterns to go long or short accordingly. Excuse me. And if there is a huge gap down, okay, then also we will wait for the price action to go short. Okay, but best condition will be अगर मार्केट फ्लैट खुलता है और ये 14,660 का लेवल को ब्रेक करता है या 14,660 के ऊपर खुलता है और यहाँ पे रिटेस्ट करता है और कोई बुलिश स्कैंडल बनाता है तो वी कैन गो लॉन्ग। ओके, सो अबव 14,400, sorry, 14,660 we can initiate a long. Our first target will be around 14,700 and second target will be around 14,722. ओके, दिस इज अबाउट निफ्टी। ओके, आपको समझ में आ गया निफ्टी के लिए सिंपल। और अगर गैप अप खुलता है तो शॉर्ट कहाँ करना है? अगर 14,500 के नीचे में क्लोजिंग मिल जाता है बाय एनी चांस, अगर कुछ ऐसा ओवरनाइट कोई न्यूज़ आता है या कुछ ऐसा होता है जिसकी वजह से मार्केट गैप डाउन खुल जाता है काफ़ी बड़ा और 14,500 के लेवल को ब्रेक कर देता है, देन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट अ fall in Nifty. But I am expecting a good opening tomorrow. Then accordingly we can trade, and we can go long above 14,000. Mark this levels, write down this levels, 14,660. Once this level gets clear, we can see a good move on the upside. Okay, so this is about Nifty. Now let's analyze the open interest data of Nifty. Yeah, so we can see this. This is the overall data of Nifty. Okay, so as we are seeing here, this is for the 6th May expiry, which is tomorrow. Okay, so we are seeing here 14,500 has the highest, like second highest open interest, and 14,000 is the highest. So I am not expecting market to go below 14,500 because there is heavy put writing. Their put writers are actively, like heavily writing 14,500. इस चार्ट से, इट्स डेटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन से मैं पता चलता है कि 14,500 हैज़ द मैक्सिमम पुट ओपन इंटरेस्ट. ओके, and 14,700 has the highest call open interest. Okay, not the highest, but a good amount of call writing is happening at 14,700. Okay, so 14,660, as I told you from the charts, if markets break that level, then we can expect a short covering move in the opening itself towards the 14,700 levels. But 14,700 level will act as a resistance. And if by any chance tomorrow market crosses 14,700, then we can expect a good short covering in the second half. But I am not expecting that wild moves because major trend of the market is still bearish. Okay, so from this data we analyze that 14,500 is the good support and 14,700 is good resistance for Nifty for tomorrow. Now we will check the daily change in open interest. What happened today actually? We are going to check that. Oh wow, this look amazing. We can see this 14,500 call writers like unwinded their position heavily, and on 14,600 put they are writing it. So from this data I am getting this कि market can expire between 14,700 and 14,600 tomorrow. This data suggests this, but tomorrow we are going to see price action and what data emerges after 10 p.m. in this chart. Okay, so from this we get that 14,500 में कॉल राइटर्स ने अपनी पोजीशन को अनवाइंड किया है और पुट राइटर्स ने हेविली राइट किया है 14,600 का पुट. सो 14,600 here, this level 14,600 level will act as a good support in the opening if market opens gap up. Okay, and 14,000 if any by any chance market opens gap down and breaks this, then we can see a good amount of short covering input. Okay, that's it for the Nifty. So as I mentioned here, so for Nifty price action suggests tells us good hammer candle on daily time frame and 50 EMA breakout, range breakout on hourly time frame, 250 EMA breakout on 15-minute time frame. So what we are going to do from this, so above 14,660, this is wrong, let me correct, yeah, above 14,660 we can take a long position. If big gap up or gap down happens, then we will wait for a price action, then according to the price action we will gonna initiate any long or short position. And if below if market goes below 14,500 we can initiate a short. That's it. So from OI data I am getting this information कि above 14,500 has the highest put OI, which means good support, and 14,700 has good amount of C call OI. Okay, which means resistance. Okay, so market may face resistance around 14,700 and market can take support at 14,500, but today 14,600 PE OI also got increased by good amount. So I am expecting markets to I'm expecting Nifty to expire between 14,500 and 14,700. This is a major range. If anything happens, this 200 point range I am expecting. और अगर इसको और नैरो करते हैं तो 14,600 से 14,700 के बीच में हमें कल एक्सपायरी देखने को मिल सकती है. ओके, बट आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग अ वोलेटाइल मार्केट, सो थोड़ी सी रेंज अपनी हम बढ़ा लेंगे. 14,500 और 14,700 विल एक्ट एज अ गुड सपोर्ट एंड रेजिस्टेंस रिस्पेक्टिवली. तो ये तो हो गई निफ्टी की बात. ओके, अब बैंक निफ्टी में क्या करना चाहिए? बैंक निफ्टी को हम लोग आइए अब एनालाइज करते हैं. Here is बैंक निफ्टी. So let's analyze bank nifty on the daily time frame first. Yeah, here also we are seeing a good hammer, a good bullish candle on the bank nifty, but bank nifty didn't give a breakout of 50 EMA, but nifty has done that. So but still bank nifty has a good closing, a good bullish candle on the daily time frame, like good wick rejection and a good hammer kind of pattern on bank nifty also on daily time frame, which is good. Let's come on to the hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, we are seeing a breakout of both 50 EMA and 200 EMA, which is good. So above this, like I would like to mark this and here is a round level also. So if we get, let me just mark that. If we get breakout above this level tomorrow, 33,000, above 33,000, we can expect a long side. We can expect a good momentum on the upside. So let's come to the 15-minute time frame and this level. And I would also like to mark here this level. 32,000 on the downside will act as a good support because this is the demand zone. Market is taking support every time it's coming here. Today also it came here, then started moving up after the RBI announcements. Okay, so also I would like to highlight this. Okay, this is the range. Above this, above 33,000, this is the round level, we can go long, and below 32,000, if by any chance markets open gap down and start and try to cross this 32,000 level, then we can initiate a short position. Okay, now let's come on to the 15-minute time frame and let's analyze what's happening. Yeah, so on 5-minute time frame, if we get a breakout above 33,000, then we can initiate a long position. But here also there are three conditions कि अगर काफ़ी बड़ा गैप अप खुलता है then we will avoid, then we wait for a price action to take the trade. अगर गैप अप खुलने के बाद मार्केट इस देखिए जो लेवल पहले रेजिस्टेंस होता है then after the breakout it acts as a support. So if market opens gap up tomorrow, okay, if markets open gap up, huge gap up, then it started then if it start coming back down towards here और यहाँ पे अगर कोई बुलिश कैंडल बनाता है तो we can expect a good move on the upside again. Okay, because now this level will act as a resistance. Okay guys, so this is about bank nifty. As you can see, I have marked the levels. Above 33,000 we can initiate a long position. Our first target will be 33,100, second target will be 33,200. this will be our two targets. But अगर market कल 33,200 300 open ही होता है, then we will wait for a price action to take a long call. Okay, so this is about it. और अगर मार्केट क्या ओपनिंग के बाद ब्रेकआउट करने के बाद 33,000 लेवल को कुछ टाइम के लिए कंसोलिडेट करता है, फिर एक ब्रेकआउट देता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो अ टाइम टू टेक अ लॉन्ग पोजिशन इन बैंक निफ्टी. सो नाउ लेट्स एनालाइज OI data of bank nifty. We will come here and bank nifty, and first of all we will check overall data. Okay, so as I marked here, as you can see, as I marked here 32,000 level, according to the charts I have not seen the OI data yet, but this is the major support for bank nifty. If by any chance we are getting a breakdown of 32,000 in the coming days, we can expect a good fall in bank nifty. But for tomorrow, if I'm expecting a gap up opening, if global sentiments, if global markets also supports us. So 32,000 has the maximum put OI, and 33,000, you can see here, 33,000 has the maximum call OI. Okay, this is the overall picture. So what we are getting from here, we have marked the right levels according to the open interest data also. Like this has the highest open interest, which means 33,000 will act as a resistance. 33,000 call has the highest open interest, so 33,000 level will act as a resistance. Once we get a breakout above this level, then we can expect a short covering of 200 to 300 points in Bank Nifty. And 32,000 has the highest put open interest, which means this will act as a good support. Okay, so if by any chance we are getting a breakout above this level tomorrow, we can expect a good move on the upside. Okay, this is the overall picture. Now we are going to see the day change. What happened today? Okay, so 33,500 call writers had cut down their positions, and 33,500 is also will also gonna act as a good support, because put writers are writing this aggressively, and around 33,000 we are seeing this call writers are still holding their positions, so that will be gonna interesting bet for tomorrow. And 33,200 has a good open interest. Okay, so 33,000 is the important level for the tomorrow, as we are seeing here. So market will gonna expire in between, I am guessing, 33,200 to 33,000, sorry, 32,500. Or broadly I can say, if I want to play broadly, then I will play between 32,500 to 33,500. देखिए, it all depends on the opening. कल मार्केट कहाँ ओपन होता है, उसके हिसाब से हमें पता चलेगा कि कैसे ट्रेड्स हमें लेना है. देखिए, हमने अपने लेवल्स मार्क कर लिए, ओपन इंटरेस्ट डेटा देख लिया कहाँ पे हाईएस्ट ओपन इंटरेस्ट है. 32,500 is also a minor support here. Yeah, this level will also act as a minor support, because here also put writing is good, as we can see, and call writers had unwinded their positions from here, so this will also act as a good support. And 33,200 will act as a resistance, so this will be our first target for tomorrow. Once we get a break above this level, then this will be our first target. So this will be our first target, 33,200 will be our first target if we get a break above 33,000 level. And if market opens above 33,200, then what we are going to do, then we will wait and see the price action. If market started coming down, बिकॉज अगर ज़्यादा बड़ा गैप अप होता है तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग भी आती है ओपनिंग में, तो प्रॉफिट बुकिंग आती है और यहाँ कहीं सपोर्ट लेके एक बुलिश कैंडल बनाती है, देन वी विल गो लॉन्ग. ओके, so this is about it. Nifty and Bank Nifty open interest analysis. We are going to write it down what we have seen here. We have seen a hammer on bullish hammer, sorry, bullish hammer on daily time frame, and on hourly time frame what we have seen, let me just check once again. Yes, on hourly time frame we have seen a yes, on hourly time frame we have seen a breakout of 50 and 200 EMA, breakout on 1 hour time frame. Okay, and on 15-minute time frame what we have seen, we have seen this range breakout kind of thing. Sorry, I forgot to mention it here. Yes, we've seen this. We have seen range breakout. Okay, we have seen range breakout kind of pattern on hourly time frame. Sorry, 15 minute. Breakout on 15-minute time frame. Okay, so what we are going to do, what's our plan for tomorrow? Above 33,000, go long for targets of 33,200. Okay, and below if big gap up down excuse me, if big gap up or gap down, then wait for price action to tell us something, then we will take the trade. Below 32,000 we can go short. According to open interest, what we have seen in open interest, that excuse me, we have seen here 32,500 will act as a good support, and 33,000 has the highest call OI, and 32,500. So breakout above this level, we can expect 200 to 300 points short covering in Bank Nifty. 32,500 has good amount of put OI, which will act as a good support. Okay, 32,000 has the highest put OI. So tomorrow being an expiry, what we can do, we will wait. If you are an option, if you are just do only purely option buying, then you will wait for the breakout on the either sides, and we will wait for the consolidation or range breakout to go long or short, to take call or put. But if you are an option seller, so what you can do tomorrow, you can simply do straddle tomorrow, or a strangle. So how you can do that, let me tell you that. Let's come to Nifty. Let's submit. So if we come to Nifty, we are seeing this 14,700 has the good call OI, and 14,500 has the highest put OI. Okay, so we can create this triangle. Okay, or we can create 14,600 straddle. But before creating any triangle or straddle, we will wait, we will look at all the other aspects, then we can initiate this. So if you want to know what I am going to do tomorrow, you can WhatsApp me at 6388337371 and join my free WhatsApp group where I share my trading ideas. Okay, so this is the WhatsApp group. Here I share my trades and videos and all that. Okay, so you can join this, and you will also gonna get the link of this group in the description box. So I hope you're gonna like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your trading buddies so they can learn something, and write down your queries or suggestions. What do you want me to explain in the further videos in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it.